Night blanketed the city as Hulk tiptoed behind his team, his enormous frame straining every support beam. S.H.I.E.L.D. needed silence. The mission demanded stealth. Hulk pursed his lips, fighting an itch in his nose. The urge grew desperate, his eyes watering. Suddenly, he sneezed, a titanic echoing blast. The force hurled him straight through 3 buildings in a shower of brick and glass. Sirens blared. From the rubble, Hulk groaned.
Sorry.
While his teammates groaned.
So much for stealth.